In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify email templates in Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and head to the settings area. Once you're there, select General Settings so you can access the main configuration options for your system. From this page, scroll down until you reach the Companies section. In that area, look for Email Templates, then click Review All Templates. This will open the list of available templates that Odoo uses for different automated emails. Now, find the email template you want to change and open it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct one, since different templates are connected to different actions in Odoo, like sales, invoices, or customer communication. Once the template is open, you can begin making your changes. If you want to rename the template for internal organization, edit the template name field. This can be helpful if you want clearer naming for your team, especially when managing many templates. Next, update the subject field with the email subject you want recipients to see. Make sure the subject is clear and relevant, since this is often the first thing people notice when they receive the message. After that, go to the Body tab. This is where you can edit the main content of the email. You can change the text, adjust formatting, update buttons, or modify other content in the message. As you edit, try to keep the email clean, readable, and consistent with the purpose of the template. If you want to insert dynamic information, type /field directly in the email body. This allows you to pull in information from the related Odoo record, which is useful for personalizing messages automatically without rewriting them each time. Then open the Settings tab. Here, you can modify details such as the sender, recipient's carbon copy, reply to address, and other available email settings. Review these carefully because they affect how and where the message is sent. After that, open the Options tab to adjust any additional template settings that may be available. These extra options can vary depending on the template, so it's a good idea to review them before finalizing your changes. When everything looks good, click Preview to check how the updated email will appear. This is an important step because it helps you catch formatting issues, missing content, or anything that doesn't display the way you expected. Finally, click the Save icon at the top to save your changes. And that's it. Your updated email template is now ready to use in Odoo. Thanks for watching.